unveiling the essence of African empowerment through captivating woman wall art. Dive into a realm where every brushstroke tells a story of strength, beauty, and resilience. Welcome to our world. Our African woman wall art is not just decor. It's a celebration of the rich, diverse tapestry of African heritage. Each piece is a homage to the powerful women who shaped the continent, their stories woven into the very fabric of society. Crafted with passion, our art embodies empowerment, symbolizing the unyielding spirit of African women across genre. With vibrant colors and intricate patterns, we capture the essence and dynamism of Africa, bringing its energy into your home. This is more than an art piece. It's an invitation to explore and connect with African culture in its most authentic form. Join us in honoring the strength, grace, and beauty of the African woman. Let this art inspire and uplift your spirit every day.